All right, welcome back again, everyone. Today we're talking about dividing integers. If you watched the last video, I did go over the rules for multiplying integers, and I did say that they are the same rules for dividing integers, so they're interchangeable. If you remember what they are, great. If you didn't remember what they are, or if you didn't watch the multiplying integers rules, you're going to learn them now. So if you have two integers that have the different signs, you have a positive divided by a negative, or a negative divided by a positive, your answer will always be negative, okay? And then just do your division. I always get the sign out of the way first. I write the sign over in the answer, and then I come back and do the division. So let's take a look. So here we have a positive and a negative, so I know it's going to be a negative answer. 20 divided by negative 4, or 20 divided by 4 is 5, so it's going to be a negative 5. Over here, remember, fractions are a form of division. We have a negative divided by a positive, so it's going to be a negative answer. 81 divided by 9 is 9, so it's going to be a negative 9. Over here, once again, we have a negative and a positive. It's going to be a negative answer. 45 divided by 9 is 5. Now, if the integers are the same sign, two positives, this is what you've been doing since you've been doing division, all positives, or if they both are negative. Just like with multiplication, if they're both negative, this double negative principle will cancel each other out. Okay, so if you're going left, you're negative, and then you do the opposite of that, you actually end up going positive, which is what is happening there with the double negative. Then just do your division. Once you worry about your sign, you can do your division, and you're good to go. All right, so we have negative 24 divided by negative 4. It's going to be a positive answer. 24 divided by 4, 6. Negative negative is a positive. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Negative negative, that's a positive. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Now, these ones start with an algebraic expression. We know what they're worth, so we're going to rewrite it. Negative 33 divided by negative 3. We're going to put that in parentheses so it's a little easier to read. It's a double negative again, so we're going to have a positive answer. 33 divided by 3 is 11. Easy as that. Word problem time. All right, so the average temperature in January for North Pole, Alaska, that's actually a town in Alaska, it's pretty cool, is negative 24 degrees Celsius. Use this expression, 9C plus 160 divided by 5, to find the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug that negative 24 right in for C. So we have 9 times negative 24. Oh, my mouse is acting kind of funky. Plus 160 over 5. Okay, order of operations tells me I have to do multiplication before I do addition. I have to get this whole numerator together before I do any sort of division. All right, negative times a positive will be a negative. Up here we have 9 times 2 is 9 times 20, which is 180. 9 times 4, which is 36. What I'm doing is partial products. I'm multiplying it by each number in its place value. So we have 180, we have 36, 180, plus 36 is 216. So I'm going to go over here for space. So this really says negative 216 plus 160 divided by 5. Now I have to go back to the last lesson about adding integers. We have a negative and a positive. If you remember, the different signs I'm adding, this is really subtraction. So 216 minus 160, right? 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 6 can't do that, so you got to borrow. 11 minus 6 is 5, and then that cancels. So 56 over 5. How many times does 56 go in? 5 go into 56 evenly. It goes in 1 there, with 1 left over. So it's negative 11 and 1/5 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget your label. Circle your answer for word problems. Any other time you have an answer, make sure you're showing your work. Anytime you have work to show, don't skip that step. And you are done. Any questions, don't forget to email me or type a message in Canvas. Have a great day.